Alrighty, we are pulling into the gas station, obviously to get a little gas with premix, of course, and then afterward we'll do a hot start. So obviously the car is on, it's been running, RPMs are sitting below, we're just at 1,000, it's just at the stoplight, and it was, there we go, resting below, very good. Okay, we'll put a little bit of gas in. Today we're using Idemitsu premix, and just gonna put a few gallons in. It's a little low, but do a few gallons and then we'll do a hot start. All right, we just used our Idemitsu Racing Rotary Premix, 1 ounce per 1 gallon. Just put about 4 gallons in right now. Keep the car light, and we will do a hot start test. The car's in neutral. Ignition. Fires right up. Beautiful. Jesus, noisy ass dogs. All right. Good to go. Very healthy. All right, car is on. We just arrived at the car wash, showing 55,224 original km. The car is definitely warm. Engine is on. As I mentioned, just got to the car wash. We will spray her down real quick, wipe her down real quick, and then turn her back on for proof of a hot start. So we will turn the keys off now, or turn the ignition off rather. Yeah. Okay, car's been rinsed. We're gonna turn her back on. It's been about 7 minutes since I turned it off. Here we go. Starts right up. And idle sits nice. Sub 1,000. Height. All right, now we gotta dry her off. All right, cold start video for the nth time. All right, it is stone cold Steve Austin. No smoke. Focus. No smoke. It's a little chilly in the warehouse, but no smoke out of the exhaust. Hot start, cold start, no problem. We always let her warm up nice and good before she hits the streets. There's the exhaust again. Absolutely gorgeous car. I wish you guys could smell the interior, but we don't have that technology yet. It smells like a brand new car. currently at 55,165 original KM. The interior's in incredible condition. It's got a little bit of general wear on the top of this. It's a little bit of flakiness coming from this plastic piece, but other than that, no blemishes. Really, really, really clean. Obviously, no one in the lifetime of this car has sat back here. Perfect. Oh, there's my GoPro mount. Original carpeting under the carpets. Just looks brand new. I think we all know the general condition of what these plastic go for. I'm hoping that the previous owner of this car was one of those Yoyogi Park rockabilly guys and was just driving this on the weekends and climbing in with his steel-heeled boots to go dance at the park. Yeah, every time we drive it, we let it warm up quite a bit. Doing on gas. Oh, almost time for some more pre-mix and gasoline.